Hi guys, just one work in progress video because I'm very excited to show you what's happening right now. Take a look at all the things that are happening on the screen with this real-time lens flare. There are many things happening there. I don't know if you can see them. This is bam, now a flash of light. Yes, there's a flash there. And see now. On the right side, there is this circle, this ring entering, and in the middle of the screen, there is this lens effect moving only on the ghosts, and then there is another lens moving, other lens effects, all them moving together accordingly with the space, and now all the flares are adding one to the other. And take a look at the ring at the side of the camera. This is crazy. I've never made something like this, and I don't know how many hours I'm working at this right now, but this is the most beautiful flare, not based on physics, but as I said, it's pseudo physics because it looks like it was physics, but it's not. I found a way to make the shader adapt to a sphere as if it was a lens, and the results is great. I will have more time to spend to try to integrate this in Flare 2. It's possible because here is Flare 2, the core now is Flare 2, but it's very hard. And as I said in the other video, you can switch to cycles, and cycles is still perfect here because we just using now transparent light paths because now I'm using this generator of starburst made in the old version, so now it requires more light paths. Anyway, it's crazy and it's very beautiful. I'm so happy, and I will keep you up to date with this progress. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that in those days is happening a promotion on Super Hive, and the version of Flare 2 that you can find there doesn't include this update because I don't know when this will be out. Anyway, it's great, and if you want to make lens flare in Blender, take it because you will be happy of it. Thank you and bye-bye.